Alright, so quite a few people have asked. I'm finally getting around to it. Nitrous Jeep 4.0. Got my bottle. Just cut a couple holes in the firewall. I gotta cut another one for my new line. Probably over here somewhere. Got a 6AN line I gotta put in. Steel braided 6AN. Got my bottle heater, Schweitzer Dynamics. Just ran to a little switch. Got my Orman switch down here for the solenoids. And then button. Gonna come through the firewall down there, straight up to solenoids. Took that AC compressor off, got a pulley for it. Fuel solenoid. I just took the petcock or the valve out of the fuel rail, ran a rubber line straight over to the fuel solenoid, and this is where the nitrous will hook up. And everything's ran over to a single nozzle straight into the intake. And that's pretty much it. Bone stock 4.0. Never even had the valve cover off.